So in this video, you're going to learn how to enable app protection or device protection on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So the first step is to just go ahead and open the Settings app. And then once you're in Settings, you want to scroll and select the option Device Care. From Device Care, you're then going to look for App Protection and you're going to tap on it. And then in order for you to enable it, just tap on the button labeled Turn On. From here, you'll then be prompted to scan your phone for any viruses or malware. So go ahead and tap on Scan Phone and wait for the scan to complete itself. Once it finishes scanning through every single bit of information that's currently on your Z Fold 7, including installed apps, then a list of information will appear on your screen. If you have no threats that have been detected, you should see this menu here. But if there's some issues that your phone has found, then you'll be given a list of instructions on how you can go ahead and fix everything. And so that is how you can enable app protection or device protection on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.